Before the shadows fell, he was praying for you. Jesus asked the Father to keep his followers in the truth, weaving a bond of unity that the world could never break. The barrier is gone. As the temple veil is torn, the way is opened for every believer to enter the presence of God. You are no longer separated. You are invited into the heart of the Father. Grace is the final word on the shoreline of your failure. By the morning fire, Jesus restores Peter and reminds us that our love for him is the only foundation we need for our mission. The King ascends to his throne, but he does not leave us alone. As the cloud receives him, the promise remains. The same Jesus who went into heaven will return in glory. The fire has fallen. Pentecost marks the birth of a new era, where the Holy Spirit transforms ordinary men into bold witnesses, speaking the wonders of God to every nation under heaven. Silver and gold are nothing compared to the power of the name. At the beautiful gate, the healing power of Christ breaks through, proving that the risen Lord is still at work among his people. When the world threatens, the church prays. As the room shakes with the power of the Spirit, a new courage is born of boldness that refuses to be silenced by the fear of man. They were one in heart and mind. In the radical generosity of the early church, we see the true fruit of the Spirit, a community where the love of Christ is the only currency.